Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're just going to jump into databases. So talked about SQL a couple videos ago, and all SQL is the language that we use to talk to a database. Structured query language. So alright, we are going to use, so we don't have any setup, Sqlite 3. So alright, this is a built-in module for Python, and we have to do zero setup. It takes care of everything, and what it does is it actually creates a file on your hard drive and has it act exactly like a database does. So now all we have to learn are the commands for Python to interact with the database. So we're just going to jump right into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. So let's just get going. So alright, SQLite 3. So right now I'm going to show you how to literally just create a database with SQLite. So alright, it is literally this simple, and we're going to keep it very simple and abbreviated. So con SQLite, let's get the cursor out of the way, light 3 dot connect, and then right here it takes in a string, and we're just going to make a students database. Close this out and run this, and then so we just made a connection object. So now let's run dir on our connection object, and just like our files that we've used before, there is a closed method, which I'm sure we don't really need to do this, but for being closes the connection method for the connection. So alright, con dot close. Run this. There we go. And let me just show you. So alright, here it is right here. This, what SQLite did, SQLite 3 module, it created a file, a database file, and named it the database that we told it to. It's literally this simple. Don't have to go in, don't have to download anything, don't have to set up anything. And next time we touch on SQL, we will be learning how to create tables, because databases are only a part of it. Then there's a subset of that, which are tables. So, and then we're going to learn more of the commands for how to create, interact. Here's a little precursor, commit to what we want to do, and then of course just close it out. But it's literally that simple to create a database with SQLite 3. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. We're going to go ahead and build upon these and move on from there. So please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.